Okay, we're gonna take a look at this thing that I actually really like. This is a retractable garden hose reel with half-inch hose and 100 feet of that hose. It's a water hose that you mount to the wall, and this part just goes straight to the spigot wherever you have it, and you have a hose that you can just use, and it makes life easy. There's the hoses I have right now. Well, they're just the conventional. I mean, they work, but they're now retractable. Every time you have to put them away, yeah, you either leave them laying around or you have to do some arm work. And this one, well, hopefully we'll solve that problem. So, pull everything out of here. User's manual. Nice. I like that. And let me pull everything out. Nice. So it came with a sprayer too, with a nozzle. This is cool. The finger rest there. I like that. We'll check that in a second too. Mounting screws and anchors for the wall. Really nice. These are some thick ones. Okay. And then let's pull the unit out. There's some piece here that we're gonna find out what it does. Okay, I gotta tell you, this is actually very well thought. Quick release attachment here, and I actually have most of my garden attachments that I own right now are quick release, and this will help a lot. Look at that. The nozzle. Just put this down, and boom, it's in place now. That's all it takes. And the other side is what goes to the existing water source that I have from the wall. Nice. And it already has like a rubber O-ring. This is really good, gotta tell you. And it has quite a few feet, just in case you don't want to mount it directly where the spigot comes out or the water source. And this thing is cool. This is the mount. Oh, look at that. Now I found out what this does. So it's almost like a quick release. This is thought very well. Look at that. So this is what goes on the wall, right? You put this right here. And guess how you put these together? You just put this through. These are kind of pre-drilled holes, and it goes through here. Not sure if you can see it. Yep, right there. Look at that. That is actually a smart design. Gotta give him that. Look, it's already plugged in. I like that. I like when things are designed nice. And to take it out, just like that. So, for example, in winter, you're not going to water that much, and you may want to just, just to store it away or something. You leave this on the wall, but you can take the whole spool and bring it inside, which that's what I will do in winter. I'm not gonna let it suffer, even though this is high quality hose. As long as you empty it and you don't leave water inside to expand on ice, if you're in an icy area, nothing will happen to it. It'll be fine. But it's better to make things last a little bit longer. And you have a handle here for if you want to take it out or whatnot. Look at that. They even thought about that part here. Really good. Very, very well thought design. And of course, you can just pull from here and it'll take it back, and you have this ball here that doesn't let it just go disappear in the ether. But when you need it, just pull it like this. Look at that. And if you want to bring it back in, just pull again like a half pull. And it has a reel. Let me show you something else that they did smart here. Not sure if, yeah, right there. So when you're pulling the hose, as you see, there's like a reel that doesn't let the hose clump together. Look at that. It pushes it to the side. And when it goes back in, as you see, it goes to the other side. So it doesn't let it clump together. This is actually cool. Wow. Okay, well, let's go install it real quick, and the installation is very easy. Just put this on the wall with the hardware provided, and that is literally it. So let's go do it. And this is how I installed it right there. I put my own screws. I opted in for that because I have some self-tapping screws. I didn't want to open bigger holes, but I could if I wanted to. As you see, I'm getting ready to actually install it. Just plug it in there, and it's all done and good. And this is where my water is coming out, and it fit right away without any problems at all. And that's it. I'm gonna go put that one on, and we should be great to go, not just good. So let's do this. Boom. That's how you install it. And I'm gonna take this reel with me, and you'll see this just doing its thing. Ooh, I took all 100 feet. Oh yeah, see there's like a red piece that comes out here. That tells you this is all of it. Let me see if we can take it back in by its own power. If the spring is good enough, I'll just assist it so it doesn't get caught on things. But whoa! Look at this thing. Whoa! Okay, the spring is actually quite strong. Okay, and this is the water. This right now is on shower mode. And look at this thing. This is perfect for watering. Did I just do a rainbow? I don't know if you guys saw that. Look at that. Oh, these are easy to make. I thought rainbows were a little bit harder. Anyway. Cool. Okay. Let me put it on mist or something else real quick. And this is on mist now. And we have a full rainbow. This is very interesting. I don't know what to make about that. Look at this. What? I didn't know you could make it this easy, but well, you can get this hose to make rainbows, I guess. And this is on center, almost like a jet, like this. Very easy, very nice. And now this is full jet. Oh yeah. I can water the pine. Cool. And yes, I already layered the ground for winter. These are just cardboards, but they help on winter. If you know, you know. I'm not gonna explain it in this video. This is the cone. Whoa. This is very interesting. Huh, look at that thing. Okay. This is the soaker that you would use probably for new tomatoes or flowers or anything that you don't want any pressure. You use the soaker. This is the flat. It is what it sounds, a flat. Nice. Okay. This is a rinse, just almost like normal hose. It's actually quite strong. Okay. And now we are back to the shower again. Boom. That easy. Okay, I'm not gonna spray that butterfly. I'm gonna let her live her life. And here's where you, of course, can adjust the pressure point. This is too far, for example. Yep, right here is max. Or you can relax it a little bit more. However you find it easier for your use case. And you have a lock here that you can leave it open whether you press it or not, like this. And when you want to unlock it, just push down and put it down, almost like an M&P. But look at that. Boom. Look at these butterflies, they're having fun here. And when I'm done with it, all I need to do is just pull a little bit and let it go. Boom. That easy. It is stored and ready to be deployed next time is needed in the garden or to wash the car or whatnot. This thing is really, really cool. Yep, I can actually highly recommend this one.